This is a set of thigh-high socks and arm warmers I was sent to review from Geyoga, so let me show you a closer look. So we have a pair of thigh-high socks and fingerless gloves with a thumb hole. A pair of those. Matching. These are the black and white. They do come in a ton of colors, even rainbow. So you can get ones for a specific holiday or theme you're going with. Really fun. Not just for costumes and cosplay and stuff, but just for daily life. Like, how cute are these thigh-high socks? Wear them with sneakers, wear them with boots. Just so cute. Really nice quality too. Made of polyester and spandex, so they're super stretchy, really soft. The socks are about 24.5 inches in length, 7.5 inches in width, fitting most American shoe sizes 5 to 9. Personally, I'm a women's size 9.5 and they fit me great. The fingerless gloves are about 12.8 inches in length and 3.2 inches in width. For reference, I'm 5'8", 130 pounds, and they fit perfectly. Super cute and comfy. I love these and I know you will too.